Hello, Simone. I hear that you cleaned your house and you guys are having a margarita pizza. Congrats. I just dyed my hair. Kind of like cleaning house. Look, what do you do when you're, at the salon? They get rid of the, okay. Private things you don't need to know about Amy Jo. Happy house cleaning, yeah. Here, I'm gonna sing you a song real quick. Hope that's okay. Hang on. Shmoleep, shmop, shmom, shmeeps. I'm gonna sing you guys a little song. Ready? Oh God, this is a terrible video, Simone. I need to clean my house too, and my piano. This was the sad one. This is a little house cleaning song. It's been 7 hours and 15 days since you took your love away. Probably too young for Sinead, right? I go out every night and sleep all day since you took your love away. It's a little concert for your pizza party. Super psyched. You got a clean house. That always feels good. I hope you're having an awesome day eating your margarita pizza. Do you like, I have an accent when I say margarita pizza. Do you like that? Probably not. Your margarita pizza. Delish.